Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about different types of motions in the Parliament. No discussion on a matter of general public importance can take place except on a motion made with the consent of presiding officer. These motions can be moved either by a minister or by a private member. We can classify these motions into three principal categories. They are substantive motion, substitute motion, and subsidiary motion. Let us discuss them one by one. What is substantive motion? It is a self-contained independent proposal dealing with very important matters. For example, impeachment of president or removal of chief election commissioner. Next, substitute motion. It is a motion that is moved in substitution of original motion. If adopted by the House, it supersedes the original motion. Next, subsidiary motion. It is a motion that by itself has no meaning and cannot state the decision of the House without reference to the original motion. It is divided into three subcategories, that is ancillary motion, which is used as a regular way of proceeding with various kinds of businesses. Next, superseding motion. It is moved in the course of debate of another issue and seeks to supersede that issue. Next, amendment. This seeks to modify or substitute only a part of original motion. Next, let us discuss about closure motion. This motion is moved by a member to cut short the debate on a matter before the House. If this motion is approved by the House, the debate is stopped and the matter is put to vote. There are four kinds of closure motions. First is simple closure. This is done when the matter is sufficiently discussed and it can now be put to vote. Next, closure by compartments. In this, the clauses of the bill are grouped into parts and these parts are debated as a whole and entire part is put to vote. Next, kangaroo closure. In this, only important clauses are taken up for debate and voting is done on these parts. Next, guillotine closure. In this, the undiscussed clauses of a bill or a resolution are put to vote along with the discussed parts because the time allotted for the discussion is over. Next is privilege motion. It is concerned with breach of parliamentary privileges by a minister. The breach of privileges include withholding facts of a case or giving wrong or distorted facts. The purpose of this motion is to censure the concerned minister. Next, calling attention motion. It is introduced in the Parliament by a member to call the attention of a minister to a matter of urgent public importance. This motion seeks authoritative statement from a member. Also, we should note that this is an Indian innovation and has been in existence since 1954. Now let us see a question based on this. It is a motion that by itself has no meaning and cannot state the decision of the House without reference to the original motion or proceedings of that House. Which of the following is being referred to in the above passage? Substantive motion, subsidiary motion, substitute motion, privilege motion. As we discussed earlier, this is referring to the subsidiary motion. So the answer is 2, subsidiary motion. Thank you.